Dear student, now today I'm going to teach you the recapitulation of our work that I have done previously in the different program of the work of the variance. Now, what is a variance? Variance VAR, variance functions. We say that in Python Panda it is used to calculate the variance of a given set of number. That means what is the set of number you are giving based on that particular work, it will going to do your work. That means we will going to define a particular set of numbers. Based on the particular set of number, the variance of the data frame will going to construct. Okay, so it will going to construct in a column wise. That is especially a column wise variance you can find. So Python Panda we can do it in a row wise as well as in column wise. So I have designed one program for you where you will going to see that particular variance is working. See here, in this particular program, just a minute, in this particular program, I have got the different values. Okay, so import panda as pd, import numpy as np. Now I'm creating a data frame. This is not a dictionary. I'm creating one data frame dictionary that particular combination of series. So this is a series of data frame. What first the name series is there. Different name is there like Vinay, Anish, Narendra, Mohan, Rocky. All these names has been given. Next, their score. First match score what they have scored. Second match what they have scored, and third match what they have scored. So three match scoring has been given there. Now this total data frame has been this total data structure or your dictionary pattern, what you can say, has been converted into a data frame. What df equals to pd dot data frame d. Now print df. Now the variance of the data frame. So let's run the program. Let's see what it is showing. Okay, what the variance it is showing to us. So it will going to execute when it is working. So it will going to execute the variance of the number. Say, so this is what the work is. Now here, what happened? I have done this particular variance. Those the variance has been calculated. Okay, so when you calculate the variance, what you will find that you need to print the variance. See very nicely, you need to print the variance. I haven't given any printing option there. I have give only the to do the variance. So as soon as I want to do the variance, if I need to print the variance, what I need to do, I need to say that what the variance of this particular data frame. This is the variance for the data frame, that is those the numbers are there, and variance of the data frame that is been given. Now let us do calculate the variance of the data frame. Okay, so as we will going to calculate the variance of the data frame, what you have to do, so your data frame is there. Now to print the variance, what you will going to do, which command you will going to specify. Now variance on what? Okay, df variance. Now variance on what? Now variance on which particular part, that has to be defined. Okay, since it is not been defined, you can see only you are getting the total structure that I have given print df. So it is printing the df. Okay, it is printing the df, but it is not showing the variance. Okay, it is not showing the variance. So data frame variance, as it will going to show, we will going to find it that you have to link it. Okay, you have to link that particular structure as I have shown you. I have written here also, you see it, that you will go into see in this particular YouTube, all those things. Say df variance. So df variance, what you will going to have, you will going to see the particular structures. Okay, you will going to see the particular structure of it, and the variance as I have done for it, it has done the variance of it. But as I haven't given here, or I haven't specified here to show the variance of what.